What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Do you have a 08 or 10 Caravan, Chrysler Town & Country, and your HVAC control is no longer working or working intermittently? There's two screws right there. Pop that little plastic square out. Pop this bezel off. There's 4 screws there, Phillips head. And you can do this at home. It's super easy. And there was no videos online about it that I could find. 2008, 2009, 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan. If you need to change your HVAC controls, take those screws loose and it'll pop right out. Lift this up, 2 more under there. You can get the HVAC control module on eBay. I got mine for $37 used. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more DIY content.